Good morning, guys. Let me share my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Previously, we have discussed about SDLC life cycle, or another word is SDLC phases. Anything interview may ask. Okay, how many phases is there in SDLC? There are
7 phases.
phases there.
7.
Okay. What are those? Requirement gathering, analysis, design,
Coding,
coding, implementation, and support and maintenance. These all things we have seen on previously. Today we will discuss about SDLC models. Okay, today we will discuss about SDLC models. Coming to SDLC models, it is divided into two types. Okay, it is divided into how many types? Two types. What are those? First one is sequential model. First one is sequential model. Coming to second one is incremental model. How many types it is divided? It is divided
Two
into
types.
two types. One is sequential and second one is the incremental. Okay. First we will go for sequential model. Okay. What is the sequential model? Coming to sequential model, the sequential models are belongs to small size applications. Which size applications?
Small size.
Small size applications. These models are best suitable for which size applications?
Small size applications.
Small size applications. Okay. And coming to sequential model, again it is divided into two types. How many types it is divided? Sequential model is divided into how many types? Two types. What are those? First one is waterfall model. Second one is the V model. Okay. V model is also called as verification and validation model. What is meant by V model? V model is also called as verification and validation model. Okay. Coming to sequential model, we go for the first model. Okay. Coming to waterfall model. Okay. What is meant by waterfall model? It is best suitable for small size applications. Okay. I will go for my application. How it will work means, let me show. Okay, guys, here we are having different types of modules. Yes or no? Expenses belongs to one module. My receipts belongs to another module. This my transactions belongs to another module. Approvals, miscellaneous, reports, help, and my account. This is belongs to large size applications. Yes or no? Big size applications. Okay. What we are going to discuss here, it is belongs to which size?
Small size.
Okay, this is belongs to small size applications. Okay, this is big size applications. How the small size applications will be means there won't be many modules. Okay, it will be only 2 or 3 modules in our applications. When previously long back, after 20 years before, like that of things, we can see these small size applications. Now it is belonging to large size applications. In large size applications also, we are having with integrations. We are having with integrations. Means one project is belonging to another project. ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ లోనే ఇంకో ప్రాజెక్ట్ కంబైన్ అయి ఉన్నదాన్నే బిగ్ సైజ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ అంటారు. ప్రీవియస్ గా అయితే స్మాల్ సైజ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. క్లియర్? Guys, long back.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that is called as waterfall model. That too, if requirement is very clear, then only they are going to proceed further. When if the requirements is very, very clear, then only they are able to proceed further. Okay, that are belonging to small size projects. Okay, coming to waterfall model is same as SDLC process. SDLC process. How it is belonging to? It is same as SDLC process. What is the SDLC process? First, we have to collect the requirements. From where onwards we have to collect the requirements? From customer onwards, we need to collect. Once the requirements has been collected means we have to analyze. Who have to analyze? If it is a developer means he will analyze developer related documents. If he is a test engineer, he is going to analyze testing related documents. Yes or no? Like this waterfall model also will going to follow step-by-step process. What process? Guys, what process it is following?
SDLC process.
SDLC process. SDLC belongs to step-by-step process. One step is completed, then only we are going for next step. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. See,
Sir.
whenever requirements are very clear, and it is a small size applications. It is a small size applications in waterfall model. Implementation. Okay, how they are going to implement? Implementation process will begin from step by step. Yes or no? Guys, how implementation activities will be carried here?
Step by step only.
Step by step process will be conducted. Step by step process. Here, coming to waterfall model, we are going to follow the step by step procedure. Why? Because it is same as SDLC process. How SDLC process is going to follow? Once requirements is completed, then only we are going to analyze those documents. Based on this analysis only, we can go for designing. Okay. Once the designing is completed, then coding. Once coding is completed, we will test an application. Okay. Once coding and testing is completed, we will go for implementation. Who will deploy the build into production server? Who will deploy? Technical expert will deploy. Clear? Like that, each and every step we are going to follow. Same here also. Okay. So that's the reason the flow of activity look like waterfall. The flow of the activity looks like which model?
Waterfall.
Waterfall. The flow of activity looks like waterfall. Waterfall. Okay. Coming to one more thing. Okay. Yeah. In this model, validation is enough. Verification is not required. Okay. In this model, what I'm saying, validation is enough. Verification is not required. Here, what is meant by validation? Can anyone? Hello. See, here what is meant by validation? Validation is nothing but we are going to check the specifications. Okay. అంటే కస్టమర్ ఎలా అయితే అడిగాడో అలా డెవలప్ చేశారో లేదా. ఓకే. వెదర్ ది డెవలప్మెంట్ ఈస్ ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ బేస్డ్ అపాన్ కస్టమర్ నీడ్స్. ఓకే. కస్టమర్ ఎలా అయితే యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తున్నారో సేమ్ అలానే డెవలప్ చేశారో లేదో చెక్ చేసేదాన్నే వ్యాలిడేషన్ అంటారు. సో ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? వాట్ ఈస్ ఎ వ్యాలిడేషన్? Or we can say developed
Specifications
project
required.
is, see, or we can say the simple definition. It is the process of validating developed project. Okay, developed project means once 100% coding is completed, then only we are going to check. That is called as validation. Suppose small size applications means only 3 modules. Okay, consider as 3 or 4 modules. Okay, or consider as only user module. Okay, this all belongs to big size applications. Okay, we will discuss that thing later. See, small size applications belongs to these modules. Okay, coming to these modules, guys, understanding? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, guys,
Yes,
small
sir.
size applications consider as only these modules. Okay, expenses, my receipts, transactions, approvals, miscellaneous reports, and help. These all things belongs to small size applications. Think this is a small size applications. Okay. Once this module is completed, you are going to test in waterfall model. No. Okay. Completely each and everything is implemented. Then only we are going to test. When we are going to test? Guys, when we are going to test? Complete modules is completed. Okay. When each and every module is completed, then only we are going to test an application. When we have to test? Hello.
Complete modules are completed.
Yeah. Once all modules is been completed, then only we are going to validate. Okay. That is called as validation. What is a validation? Okay, I will write here. What is a validation and what is the verification? Okay. What is the verification and what is the validation? Okay. Coming to validation. Okay. Coming to validation, validation is nothing but after developed project. Okay. When we are going to check developed project, we are going to check. Coming to verification means it is a process of verifying developing project is right or not. Developing means what? Suppose this is developing. This module is developing by developers. So we have to interact here also. Where we have to interact? Under expenses modules. Where we have to interact? Hello. Hello.
Waterfall model.
See, waterfall model means once all modules has been completed, then only we are going to check. Okay, that is called as validation. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Coming to what is meant by validation? Once all modules has been completed, then only we are going to check. That is called as validation. Or you can say as once developed project is completed, then only we are going to check. Coming to verification, we are discussing about verification. Here coming to verification means what? Developing. Okay. Developing module is right or not.
Right
Okay.
or not?
That is called as verification. This is the
Verification.
developing one. Okay. This is the developing one. The developers are going to develop. Okay. When they are going to develop, at the time only the test engineer will join to the developers. Okay. Who will join?
Engineers.
Test engineers will join to
Tests.
the developers. Okay. Whether the developers is right doing the right job or not. That is called as verification. Okay. Here, what is a verification? It is a process of verifying. It is a process of verifying. We are developing. Here, what we have to come? Developing. Yes or no? Developing the project is right or not? Is right or not? That is called as validation. That is called as verification. Sorry. It's called as verification. What is the another name for verification? It is also called as static testing. It is also called as which testing?
Static testing.
is also called as static testing. Okay, we'll go for validation now. Okay, coming to validation. It is a process of verifying which project?
Running
Developer
projects.
Huh?
Developer project.
Developed
Present.
product. Okay. Here previously we are going to do developing. Here once developed project only we are going to check. See guys, I will give one of the best example. Okay, you have one land. Okay, you have one land. You are going to construct one house. You are going to construct one house. Each and every day you are going to verify. Okay, that is called as verification. Coming to validation, what is meant by validation? After house is constructed, then only we are going to validate. That is called as validation. Guys, understood?
Yes.
ఓకే, మీకు ఒక సైట్
Can-
ఉంది. ఆ సైట్ లో మీరు ఒక ఇల్లు అన్నది కట్టాలనుకుంటున్నారు. ఓకే, కట్టేటప్పుడు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఓకే చెక్ చేసేదాన్ని వెరిఫికేషన్ అంటారు. ఓకే, వన్స్ హౌస్ అన్నది కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఎలా వచ్చింది అవుట్పుట్ అని చూసేదాన్ని ఏమంటారు?
Validation.
వాలిడేషన్ అంటారు. క్లియర్?
Yes.
ఈస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఐ కెన్ గివ్ ఎనీ అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్.
Clear, sir.
Developed project is right or not is called as which one?
Validation.
Validation.
Can you please scroll up?
Sorry?
Can you please scroll up?
Yeah.
Yes, scroll down. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Is it fine?
Yeah. Fine, sir.
Coming to validation, it is also called as
Dynamic testing.
dynamic testing. Okay, it is also called as dynamic testing. See guys, waterfall model we are going to follow step by step process. Okay, it is same as SDLC. What? How we can say? Waterfall model is same as SDLC process. Here we are going to follow step by step procedure. Okay, so that's the reason the waterfall model is the flow of activity look like waterfall. In this model, only validation is enough. Verification is not required. Only validation is enough means what? Once the developed project is completed, then only we are going to involve into the application. Okay, that is called as waterfall. Previously, 20 years or 30 years ago, how they are going to involve? Once all modules is completed, then only we are going to test. That is called as waterfall model. Guys, clear?
Yeah.
Any doubts?
Mhm.
Yeah. Coming to, we'll see the advantages and disadvantages of waterfall. Yeah, here coming to advantages. What are the advantages? Here it is suitable for which size projects? Which size projects, guys?
Small size projects only.
Small size.
Small
Projects.
size.
Or we can say as applications, anything, fine. Okay, coming to, it is easy to manage. Okay, easy to manage. Why? Because it is small size
Small size
applications. Okay,
projects.
and we can easily understand also. Simple and easy to understand. Why? Because it is only small size
Small size.
applications. Coming to big size applications means we have to concentrate on each and
Each
everything. Okay, suppose if I change anything in the user, it have to reflect to admin also. Okay, ఇక్కడ నేను ఏమైనా చేంజ్ చేస్తే అడ్మిన్ యూజర్ లో కానీ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుందా లేదా? ఓకే, ఇఫ్ అడ్మిన్ హ్యాస్ చేంజ్డ్ ఎనీథింగ్, యూజర్ అండ్ ఫినాన్స్ యూజర్ హౌ టు రిఫ్లెక్ట్. ఓకే, అడ్మిన్ గానీ ఏమైనా చేంజ్ చేస్తే యూజర్ కి ఎఫెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి, ఎట్ ది సేమ్ టైం ఇట్ హ్యావ్ టు ఎఫెక్ట్ టు ది ఫినాన్స్ యూజర్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, that is comes under which size applications? Big
Big
size.
size applications.
So we have to take each and everything proper KT. Okay, మనం ఏమైనా తీసుకునేటప్పుడు ప్రాపర్ KT తీసుకోవాలి. Clear? If you have any doubts at the time, you can raise. Okay, guys, understanding?
Yes.
Whenever you are joining
sir.
to the organization, you have to take the each and everything KT. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, at that time only you can test properly. Okay, without knowing KT, you cannot proceed further. Yes or no? See, at the same time, I am going to my receipts. I am going to my receipts. Just a simple logic, how it will come. Okay, how multiple validations is coming. See, I am going to my receipts. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from here onwards, I can create a new expense report. See, if I want to create a new expense report, means I want to go to expenses. Under
Expenses.
expenses, new expense report I have to create. Yes or no? This is my
New expenses report.
new expense report. This is one of the scenario. Okay, now I am going to my receipts. From my receipts onwards, I want to create a new expense report. It is possible.
No. No.
It is possible. Okay, see, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Are you able to see here? New expense
Okay.
report. Okay, I am selecting here. Okay, what are these all things which is created by expenses?
Before.
Okay, which is created by expenses, those all things comes. Are you able to see? ఇవన్నీ ఆల్రెడీ
Yes.
క్రియేట్ అయినవన్నీ అక్కడ చూపిస్తారు. Okay, at the same time we can also create a new expense report. Yes or no? We can create a new expense report at the same time. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the reason only we have to take the proper KT. If anyone knows, we can create from here.
No. No.
Okay, what you are thinking, only this is belonging to my receipts.
Receipts, sir. Yeah.
So when you are entering into organization, we have to take proper
KT.
Okay, that is first task. Okay, you have to ask each and every word. Okay, what are the things you did not understood? You have to take each and everything KT. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, and one more thing here, delete option is there. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Okay, here also delete receipt is there. What is the use of these two things? Can anyone?
Delete the expenses report, right?
Here no
We raise
expense
it.
report. What is there? Receipts.
Delete receipts.
What is the use of this delete and what is the use of this delete? Can anyone? What you are thinking? Those two buttons.
Delete option only.
Delete option only. Yeah, I know, delete option only. What is the use? I am asking.
Deleting of receipts. Changing
Yeah,
of
we-
new receipts can take place.
No, here also delete button is there. Okay, here also delete option is there. Why two buttons? One button
But
is
here
enough.
select all an option,
Yeah,
right?
yes,
Right.
that is the thing. Okay, only select all.
And delete.
No. Not only select all. See, if I want to delete particular receipt means I can click this delete option. Suppose if I want to select two or more receipt means we are going to use this delete. Yes or no? If I want to use the particular delete means I have to click on
This option only.
okay.
This
If I
delete
want to
button.
click on multiple receipts or I want to click on all receipt means it have to delete. We have to use this option. Yes or no? You have to ask what is the use? Okay, what is the main purpose? Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Coming to disadvantages. What are the disadvantages?
Not applicable for big size projects.
Yes. Okay, it is not suitable for big size applications. It is not suitable for big size applications. Coming to second one.
It's take more time, right?
Yeah, it is very difficult to go back and change the requirements. Why?
Requirement.
Because completely it is developed. Yes or no?
Develop.
Completely
Yes.
it is developed. Once the development is completed, then only the testing is going to perform this activity. Okay. If anything changes comes means it is go back and change the requirement. Yes or no? If any
Yes.
new changes or anything comes means again I have to go back and change the requirement is very challenging task here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Once an application. Okay, not only for development, okay, for testing engineers also. Yes or no? Development
Yes.
is completed at the same time, testing is also completed. If any new requirement comes, then both the developers have to implement at the same time. The test
Testers
engineers
have to.
also have to do the testing. Yes or no? That is some of the big disadvantages.
Disadvantages.
Okay, once an application, the development or testing, okay, or testing stage, it is very difficult. It's very difficult to go back and change the requirement.
Application or requirement.
Difficult to go back and change the requirement. Clear?
Yes.
Clear,
Can you
guys? This
please
model.
scroll down?
Yeah. Okay. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Coming to next model. What is our next model?
V model.
V model. Okay.
Verification or validation.
Coming to V model, it is also called as which model? It is also called as verification and validation model. Verification and validation model. Okay. Coming to this model, okay, it is also suitable for which size applications?
Small size applications.
It is also suitable for small size applications only. But here, both test engineers and developers will start working parallelly. Here, coming to this model, both developers and test engineers will start work parallelly. Guys, what is the difference here?
Here, developers and testers start same time, right?
Yeah, here in this model, the test engineer no need to wait of 100% coding. Okay,
Yeah.
coming to test engineer also, here 100% coding ayadaka test engineer wait checker. Okay, suppose these two modules is completed. Okay, they will deploy the build into QA server. You can test parallelly. Okay, so here we no need to wait for 100% coding completion. Yes or no?
Yes. అప్పుడు
Okay,
అజైల్ మోడల్
once,
అయిపోతుంది కదా అది.
sorry.
అప్పుడు అది అదే అజైల్ మోడల్ అయిపోద్ది కదా.
Yeah, agile model only. See, agile model means that is completely different. Okay, it will take
Okay.
only
Sprint
14
wise.
days. Yes, sprint wise. Okay, it will take only 14 days of time. Okay,
Okay.
here it will take some long time. Okay, here no
Okay.
sprints. Okay,
Okay.
understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Coming to V model, it is also called as verification and validation. And it is suitable for which size applications?
Small
Big
size.
size applications.
Small
Big
size.
size.
Big
Small
size.
size.
Is suitable for small size applications. Why? Because these models are belonging to which model?
V model.
Sequential. Okay,
Sequential.
sequential model. Okay, coming to incremental model, we have different types of models. What are those? Spiral model, RAD model, prototype model, agile model. Those all things comes under which size applications?
Big size application.
Big size
Incremental
application.
model.
Incremental model. Incremental model is best suitable for big size
Big
application.
projects. Yeah.
Okay. Clear? Coming to
Yes.
sequential models are belonging to small size applications. Coming to V model, it is also called as verification and validation, and it is suitable for small
Small
size
size applications.
applications. Coming to V model, in this model, both
We have to.
developers and test engineers will start work,
Parallel.
will start the work parallelly. Yes or no? Here verification and validation is required. Yes or no? V model means what? Verification and validation. Okay.
Yeah.
Before constructing, we have to check, and after constructing also we have to check.
We have to check.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Before construction means once this
Valid.
model, okay, once they are implementing this model, we have to check. After implementation also we have to
We
check.
have to check.
Called as
Verification and validation.
verification and validation model. Now understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So, in this model, the test engineer no need to wait for 100% coding. Yes or no?
Yes.
In this model, test engineer no need to wait for 100% coding completion. Clear? Guys, it is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Coming to advantages. Can anyone tell what are the advantages? Can anyone? What are the advantages? It is suitable for
Small size project.
small size projects. Small size projects. Anything else? It is also simple and
Easy to
easy to use. It is also simple and easy to.
use.
We can reduce the lot of time. We can reduce the lot of time. Means we can save the lot of time.
నేను చూసుకోలేదు మర్చిపోయినా
1 second. See, here coming to this model, we can save the lot of time. Why? Because if anything goes wrong from the development team, we are going to report immediately. If there is expected value and actual value is not matched here, then we are going to report that issue immediately. Yes or no? Guys, if development is not good, then what we are going to do? We are going to raise a defect. This is not as expected to the client. We have to change the flow. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So it saves the lot of time. Saves the
Try.
lot. Yeah. And coming to fourth one, what is the fourth advantage? Here coming to fourth advantage, what? Both test engineers and testers, both developers and test engineers will start the work parallelly. What is the advantage? That is also advantage, right? Both test
Yes.
engineers and developers will start the work parallelly. Why? Because to save the lot of time. Okay. Both developers and test engineers will start the work
Parallel.
parallel. Yeah, here coming to disadvantages. Can anyone? Can anyone tell what are the disadvantages? It is
Not applicable for big size applications.
not suitable for big size applications. Yeah. Any more?
I have a doubt, sir. ఇప్పుడు
Yeah.
టెస్టర్స్ డెవలపర్స్ ఒకే టైంలో వర్క్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు. సపోజ్ టెస్టర్స్ ఒక బగ్ రైజ్ చేస్తారు, బగ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారు.
Hmm.
దాని వెంటనే డెవలపర్స్ కి సెండ్ చేయొచ్చు అదని.
We have to do. Yeah. మనం ఇమీడియట్ గానే పోస్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే,
ఓకే ఓకే
మనం ఏమన్నా బగ్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తే వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైజ్ ఇమీడియట్లీ. ఓకే,
వెంటనే వాళ్ళు మళ్ళా దాన్ని రీసాల్వ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ పంపిస్తారా?
అది ప్రయారిటీ ఇష్యూ అయితే వెంటనే రిజాల్వ్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే
చిన్న స్మాల్ సైజ్ కాస్మెటిక్ ఇష్యూ, ఓకే, స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్స్ అటువంటివి అయితే ఇమీడియట్ గా రిజాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, మీరు ఏమైనా స్ట్రక్ అయిపోయి మేజర్ ఇష్యూస్ అయితే ఇమీడియట్ గా ఫిక్స్ చేయాలి. క్లియర్? దట్ ఈస్ డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ priority of
ప్రియారిటీ.
okay, clear?
Yes.
Yeah. What we are discussing, coming to disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? It is not suitable for big size applications. What are the another disadvantage? See, in this model, see, development is completed and testing is also completed. Then if you want to change any requirement, means both development document have to update and testing document also have to update. Yes or no? Guys,
Yes.
okay, if any requirement added, okay, then we have to update our development
and
related documents, and we have to update the testing related documents. Coming to testing related documents means, what are the testing related documents we are having? Test scenarios, test cases, those things. Okay,
Test data.
Yeah, test data, those things. Okay, I will show what are these documents in upcoming sections. Okay, you don't need to worry. Okay, coming to this, what is the disadvantage? What is the disadvantage? In the middle of the project, if
Any
we
changes?
we change any requirement, if we change any requirement, okay, we
not
need
possible.
to update what? We need to update both
Developing and testing.
development and testing related documents. Both development and testing related documents. That is called as V model. Clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, coming to waterfall model, after developed project only we are going to check. Coming to V model means both at the time of developing and at the time of developed. Okay, we have to check. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Coming to another one. What is another one? Anything else is there in sequential model?
No, only two.
No.
Only
Two models.
one is waterfall and second one is the
V model.
Okay, coming to next one is incremental model. Coming to incremental model, it is best suitable for which size applications?
Big size application.
Is suitable for big size applications or big size projects. Okay, anything correct only. Okay, big size applications or big size projects. Anything correct. Coming to this model, it is divided into how many types? It is divided into different models. Like, what are those? RAD model,
spiral model.
Second, coming to second one is spiral model.
Agile
Prototype model.
Yeah, prototype.
Next one is Agile model. Okay, next one is Agile model. Okay, out of this all models, which one is very, very important?
Agile is the nowadays Agile is the
very, very important. Okay, yeah, and one more thing,
Can you please scroll down, sir?
Yeah. Okay. Out of these all models, which model is very, very important?
Nowadays, Agile model is the very
Yeah, nowadays Agile model is useful. Okay,
most
each and
important.
every organization is using Agile only.
Agile,
Okay,
Agile.
so we have to learn Agile model. Okay, I will explain once this all models is completed. I will go for Agile model. Okay, if you have any queries, you can ask me. Okay, it won't
Yeah.
complete. Okay? Or otherwise, we'll complete one model. Okay, we'll complete one model, RAD model. What is the RAD model, guys? What is RAD stands for? RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. What is the RAD?
Rapid application development.
Development.
Application.
Rapid Application Development. Rapid Application Development. Okay, what is RAD? RAD stands for Rapid Application Development Model. Okay, why you are going to RAD model? Due to lack of time or within a short period of time to complete the project, we go for RAD model. When we have to go for RAD model? Due to lack of time or to complete within a short period of time. Okay, now short period of time lo project another complete aval. At that time, what we are going to do? Which model you are going to take? Hello. Guys, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, coming to RAD model. Okay, when we have to go for RAD model to complete within a short period of time. At that time, we have to go for RAD model. We have to complete within a short period of time. Actually, my application will take nearly 1 year, but the client needs only within 6 months. Okay, at that time, what we have to do? We
RAD
have
model.
to go for
RAD
RAD model. Okay.
Super fast, I think.
Yeah. Due to lack of time or within a short period of time, to complete the project. Okay, we go for which model?
RAD model.
Okay, how you can complete within a 6 months? Actually, it will take 1 year. Then how you are going to take? We are going to divide into mini projects. How you are going to do? We are going to divide into mini projects. Suppose you have only 10 people of development. Okay, I have no time. At that time, what we have to do? We have to recruit people. What we have to do? We have to take some more people. Yes or no? I cannot complete.
Yes.
Okay, but we are having less number of people.
No.
At that time,
Yeah.
what we have to do? I am again recruiting 10 people. Yes or no?
Yes.
At that time, we can complete, right?
Yeah, it's possible.
Yeah. See, actually, development team is 10 people. Okay. For 10 people, it is taking 1 year. Okay. I am recruiting another 10 people or 15 people. We can complete within 6 months, right? Yes or no?
It's possible, right?
Yeah. Coming to RAD model, it is suitable for big size applications, and within a short period of time only we have to complete. How you are going to complete? In this model, the project is divided into what?
Small set.
Modules. Okay, we are going to divide into modules. Modules is nothing but, I will show you. Okay, see, this all things belongs to user module. Expenses, my receipts, my transactions, this all belongs to expenses. See, this all belongs to user module. Okay, guys, understanding? This all belongs to which module?
User modules.
User module. Okay, or think it as one module. Okay, and my account is one module. Okay, user information, address, change password, payment preferences, corporate cards. These all things belongs to another module. Guys, understanding? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Coming to finance. Coming to finance also, this all modules is take as
Different.
one module. Okay.
Yeah.
This all things take as one module. Okay. How many modules it came? 3 modules. And this is the another one. What is the another one? Settings. This is the another one, settings. How many modules is there? 4 modules is there.
4 modules.
Okay. Coming to how many modules? 4 modules we have divided. Coming to 4 modules, we are going to split. We are going to split into 20 people. How we are going to split? Coming to my account, only this is a small module only. Okay, I am going to assign 3 or 4 people. How many people I am going to assign? 3 or 4 people. Okay. Coming to settings. This is also very small module. Okay, very small module. Here also 3 people is enough, more than enough. How many people we have occupied? 6 people have been
6
occupied.
people. Yeah.
Remaining how many people is there? 7, 14 people is there. Yes or no? Yes or no? Out of 20?
14 people is there.
Out of 20, we are having 14 more people. Only 6 people has been occupied. Yes or no? How you are going to split that 14 people? Completely user module I have taken as 7 people, and the remaining 7 people I have assigned for this module. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if anything completed before only. Okay, if anything is completed before only. See, within 6 months, it will take time. No, it won't take. Okay, how many things is there? Only this is a small thing. If those 3 people has been completed within 3 or 4 months, then they have to switch to these modules. Clear? Is it clear, guys?
Clear,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah. What word is RAD model stands for rapid application development. Due to lack of time, we have to going to complete this model. In this model, the project is divided into modules. Okay. Each and every module will be considered as each and every module. Each and every module will be considered as what? Will be considered as mini project. Will be considered as mini project. Yes or no? For those 3 people will comes as a mini project. Remaining 3 people will be considered as mini project. That 7 people will be considered as mini project. Remaining 7 people also will be considering as mini project. Yes or no?
Yes.
Guys. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why no response? Okay. To develop mini project, once the mini project is completed, how you are going to develop? We are going to combine together, right? Yes or no? If I develop to this client only this module, how it will be? It won't be success, right? Okay. We have to combine each and every module. Once this thing is completed, we have to implement user module and my account. After, I have to implement
Finance or settings.
Once each and everything is completed, once finance also completed, means we are going to combine this finance also. Okay. Each and everything is combined. Then that is called as a project. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. To develop every mini project, they will be the separate team. Okay. Separate team will be. They will be the separate team, and they will start implementing. Okay, they will start implementing. Who will start the implementing? they will be the separate team. Okay, or 2 or 3 persons will work on implementation. Okay, parallelly. Okay, once module is completed, they are going to implement parallelly. Okay, once all modules is completed, then once all modules has been completed, guys, once all modules has been completed, then combine all as one project. Yes or no? Combine
Yes.
all mini projects as one project. Okay, we are going to combine as one project and we will deliver to whom?
Clients.
We will deliver
Clients.
to clients or customers. You can say
Customers.
anything. Okay, anything is fine. Okay, coming to advantages. What are the advantages and disadvantages? Here. Can anyone? What are the advantages and what are the disadvantages?
Here, take less time.
Yeah,
Right.
here time saving.
Terms.
Another one, it is best suitable for which size applications?
Big size.
Mini size.
Mini size,
Big size.
Big size.
Useful for.
big size applications.
Hmm.
Anything else?
Sir, small projects can be done in this model now, sir.
No, we
Many
cannot do,
projects
right?
can be done.
See, small module means it will be only one module. Okay, like user module only will be. How we can divide? We cannot divide, right?
Sir.
If only
Okay, sir.
only particular module is there, then we cannot say. We cannot divide into big size applications, right? Okay, if it is a large size applications only, we can split. Okay, if it is a small
Yes,
size application, means it will complete within 4 months or 6 months. Okay, if we divide means they will be only 1 month. Okay,
Okay, sir.
coming to disadvantages. What are the
Only two
disadvantages?
advantages.
Sorry?
Only two advantages. Only
Yeah,
now.
2 advantages. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, what is the main is time saving purpose.
Time saving. Yeah.
Okay, coming to disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? Can anyone? It is not suitable for size applications.
Small size application.
Small size.
Small size application.
Yeah, coming to second one. Can anyone? It is a time saving. How you are going to save the time? Because I have recruited 10 more people. I have to pay the salary for 10 more people, right?
Yes.
Well, so it is expensive model. Yes or no?
Yes,
Expensive
right.
is nothing but previously I am paying for 10 people only. Now I am going to pay remaining 10 people.
20 people. Yeah.
Okay. So it is a
Cost.
expensive model. Yes or no? Why? Because huge resources is required.
Need here.
Resources is required. So that's the reason only we are paying salary to them. Yes or no? Previously I am paying for 10 people. Now I am paying for 20 of people. Yes or no?
Yes.
So these are the advantages and these are the disadvantages of which model? RAD model.
RAD
Okay.
model.
If you have any queries, you can ask me. I will stop the recording up to here. If you have any queries, you can ask me, please.